Come see mommy. I'm over here. Correct it. Turn. There you go. Nice job. Ready? You're gonna walk to daddy. Up. Pick up those feet. Pick up those feet. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Okay, go to daddy. Go see daddy. No saddle. Go see daddy. Back wheels are locked straight. Resistance a little bit. See if she can do it with them unlocked all. Ready, Molly? Hold on. Oh, I was gonna say leave them unlocked. Nice job, Mom. Ready, Molly? I want you to hold on. Ready? Stand up. Up, up. Tush up. Go see Daddy. Go. No, hold on. Up, tush up. Where are you gonna go? You gotta hold on. Use your hands. Good girl. Now go where you want to go.
Go.
Go ahead. Go check it out. Or go see Daddy. Hold on with both hands. Pull. Use them to pull. There you go. Unlocked completely.
Where's my hug? Hug. Hug. Where's Kaya? Go get
Hold on. Both hands. Hold on. Go find Kaya. I guess Botox makes a difference, huh? A little drunk. Molly, go find Daddy. Wonder if you can maneuver to Daddy. Stand up, up, up. Up, up, up. Use your feet. Push with your feet. Push with your feet. Push, push, push. Stand up, up, up. Good girl. Nice correction. Up, up, up. Push, push, push. Push with these. Push. Push with those. Good girl. Push. Push. I give you a little help. Push. Use those thighs. Now that you can use those muscles. I'm wondering how much of a regression, though, will happen when it wears off, you know?
Come on.
Go to Daddy. Pull, pull. Push. There you go. Push. Oh. Look at that mobility. She almost corrected it. Come on, push, push, push. Up, up, up. Molly, where's Daddy? Push with those legs. Come on, move your feet. Push, push, push. Good girl, push. Push up, 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 up. Good girl, you're pushing. Can I give you a little help? There you go.
Come on.
Push, push, push.